Hello everyone, welcome to our booth. Today we are going to briefly introduce what is our customized phone case machine. The step 1, get started with the machine. Choose which model is your phone case. For example, me, I'm using iPhone 13, so press the iPhone 13 button. Step 2, scan the QR code. Get started with your phone. The third step, upload the picture you want to print in your phone case. Adjust in which direction, in which angle you want to use your phone case, including the size, directions, or which angle. Upload is successful.